Well, here you are, guys. This is the first one for me. I'm doing a camping review, and it's the new Cadac Safari Chef 30 compact, and it runs on these, which I thought was pretty good. So let's unpack it and see what you get for your money. What I love about the Cadac range is how you clean it, and if you do a lot of camping, you'll understand what I mean by that. That's a paella tray or frying tray. A ring. I'm going to quickly unpack it all for you, 2 seconds. Right, so there it is unpacked, and yeah, very simple. But I love Cadac because you can just take everything apart and clean it. So literally, that is all the sections. So it goes base, cooking, grill, then whatever pan you want to put on. The gas is easy to install, just like normal. Put it in there to show you. That's it on, and we close that up. Obviously I'll have to do it with 2 hands. Oh, I've done it. And she's ready to go. And that's it, she's on. You see in there? Fantastic bit of kit. That is the Cadac Safari Chef. It comes with a cool little bag as well, which I thought was good. So just pack away in the van, nice and easy. And there we are. I just want to give you a little update of me cooking with it for the first time. And yeah, you can fit quite a lot on there. It's always good to keep the other thing there so you're not burning your table, but yes, it doesn't burn through, so it's fantastic. Great bit of kit.